Signal drops on Xfinity TV boxes remain one of the most common customer issues in 2025. While Xfinity has improved system stability, understanding the root causes can help you resolve these frustrating interruptions quickly. There are four primary causes of signal drops. First, coaxial cable issues, including loose connections at wall outlets, splitters, or box inputs, as well as damaged or corroded cables. Second, signal strength problems where the incoming signal is either too weak, typically below -7 dBm, or over-amplified above +7 dBm. Third, hardware malfunctions such as overheating due to poor ventilation, power supply degradation, or internal component failure. Finally, environmental factors including weather-related interference, electromagnetic interference from other devices, and network congestion during peak hours. Understanding coaxial cable construction helps identify problems. A proper coaxial cable has multiple layers: an outer plastic cover, insulation, a metal shield, more insulation, and an inner conductor. When any of these layers are damaged, signal quality degrades significantly. Signal strength is measured in dBmV. For downstream signals, the acceptable range is -15 to +15 dBmV. Upstream signals should be between 35 and 51 dBmV. The signal-to-noise ratio should ideally be above 35 decibels for optimal performance. Start troubleshooting by checking all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Look for loose connections at wall outlets, splitters, and the TV box input. Next, perform a hardware reset by unplugging the power cord for 30 seconds, checking cable connections again, then plugging back in and waiting 5 to 10 minutes for a full reboot. If problems persist, access the diagnostic menu on your TV box. The method varies by model, but this will show you signal levels and help identify specific issues with your connection. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most common signal drop issues. By understanding the causes and following these systematic steps, you can often restore stable service without waiting for a technician visit. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Xfinity TV box signal issues, it's time to move to advanced solutions and understand what the future holds for cable TV technology. Advanced troubleshooting starts with proper hardware maintenance. Your TV box needs adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, which is a leading cause of signal drops and hardware failures. Cable quality is critical for maintaining strong signal strength. Professional-grade RG6 coaxial cables with proper 75 ohm impedance should be used, and these cables should be replaced every 7 to 10 years as they degrade over time. Surge protectors with coaxial protection are essential for preventing damage from power surges and lightning strikes. These specialized protectors safeguard both the power and signal lines to your equipment. When basic troubleshooting fails, professional diagnostic tools become necessary. Signal meter testing allows technicians to measure exact signal levels and identify whether signals are too weak or over-amplified. Spectrum analysis equipment can identify specific frequency interference that may be causing signal drops. This advanced testing reveals electromagnetic interference from other devices or external sources. Network topology mapping traces the complete signal path from the head end to your home, helping technicians identify exactly where problems occur in the network infrastructure. The future of Xfinity TV technology is incredibly promising. Artificial intelligence is now being deployed to predict equipment failures up to 72 hours before they occur, allowing for proactive maintenance and preventing service interruptions. Self-healing networks represent another major advancement. These intelligent systems automatically detect network problems and route signals around damaged or congested areas, maintaining service continuity without human intervention. Perhaps most significantly, Xfinity's massive fiber network expansion is expected to eliminate 80% of signal-related issues by 2027. Fiber optic infrastructure is inherently more reliable than traditional coaxial cable systems. These technological advances promise a future where signal drops, equipment failures, and service interruptions become increasingly rare. The combination of AI diagnostics, self-healing networks, and fiber infrastructure will deliver a dramatically more reliable television viewing experience.